The Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 B2 Carbon Beluga, one of the leftover sneakers on the collaboration between Adidas and Kanye West that ended abruptly. These are a new twist on the original Beluga colorway that debuted in 2016, and in this video let's talk about the materials, comfort, and the sizing of these sneakers. Also, I will share my personal opinion on how I style them. Hey boss, Piniman Chef here again, and what a breath of nostalgia while entering the raffle on the Adidas Confirm app last week. And I gotta be honest, it was some kind of a break on the usual routine like catching L's on the Nike's sneakers app. Today's video, by the way, let's talk about this leftover sneakers between the collaboration of Kanye and Adidas. So the first thing that catches your eye when you look at these sneakers is the bold and bright orange stripe that runs across the middle of the upper. This is a signature feature of the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 line, and it also displays the Supply 350 branding in black. The stripe contrasts nicely with the dark gray and black patterned upper, which is made of prime knit material. I don't know if it's only me, but every time I keep looking on the design or the patterns of the 350s, somehow reminds me of the patterns of the gray house spiders. And I think that's the reason why they are so unique, because they are nature inspired. And talking about the details, the upper also has some orange speckles throughout, adding some more flair to the design. The sneaker has a faded black rib midsole which encases the Boost cushioning technology. Boost, by the way, is a foam material that provides responsive and energy returning comfort. The outsole is made of durable rubber and it has a gum-like color on the heel and toe areas. Sneaker has rope laces that match the upper color and a pull tab on the heel for easy on and off. Now, one of the reasons why the Yeezys was so successful, it's because of the comfort level. Sneakerheads even dubbed this as one of the most comfortable daily sneakers that you can wear. And you know what? That's the complete opposite of Nike's, say Jordan 4s. Thanks to the prime knit upper and the Boost cushioning, the prime knit upper is soft and stretchy and it hugs your foot like a sock. It also allows air to flow through, keeping your feet cool and dry. It also conforms to your foot shape, providing a customized fit and feel. The sneaker also has a slightly padded collar and a textile lining, which adds some extra comfort and cushioning around your ankle and heel. Now, in my honest opinion, the best way to wear the Yeezy's 350 is by pairing it with some slim fit jeans or chinos. Keep it casual and avoid wearing baggy pants because somehow it will hide the cool silhouette of these shoes. For this outfit, I paired the sneakers with some black slim fit jeans because the black jeans match the black midsole and stripe of the sneakers. And of course, my favorite olive chinos complements pretty well as well, while showing off the dope silhouette of the 350s. Like I said, don't wear baggy pants, and take a look here how my cargos made my Yeezys looking cheap and ugly. Guys, a quick reminder, by the way, the return window of these leftover Yeezys are shorter. In case here in Germany, it's only 14 days, and I even read that some countries you're not allowed to return them, so take note of that. As usual, go half size up on the Yeezy 350 V2s, and I also recommend wearing thin socks on them. Overall, this is a very good, comfortable, unique sneakers, but on the expensive side unless you are the son of Elon or the daughter of Warren. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and of course hit that like button. As always, I will see you soon, and peace.